chapter 13 of Git and GitHub Crash Course and how to discard changes that we made without that have not been committed. Okay, so the purpose of this git restore, we have a git restore command. This command helps us to safely revert files and folders back to exactly the state at the last commit. It's saving you from manually deleting mistakes code by code, looking through line by line to find individual changes that we made. Okay, so the scope of the restoration, you can target different levels of your project depending on on the syntax used. So this one we can do is a git restore, and then you give the specific file name. But currently, okay, let's first make some changes. New stuff. Okay, new stuff. Well, let's say new things. Yeah, new things is fine. So now there are some new changes that has been made. So now to restore it, this is what we do. You say get restore, then you put in the file name. Actually, is there examples files there in the base folder? So after running that code, you realize that it has restored everything back into the original state, how it was into the last comment. So you see the change that I made, it automatically disappeared in with the VS Code. All right, so that's how we restore everything, all the changes. Yeah, or to reset one specific file. Sometimes you can reset an entire directory. That's a similar approach, but instead of just specifying that individual file, you just git restore, then you put it in the name of the directory that it is. Okay. So yeah, let's try that. We will come here and create a new directory without commenting it. Then we will restore. So a new directory has been created. So you can just restore it. So it gets restored entirely. Let's see. Oh, that is, I created it outside of our Git repository or local and put it in the right one. Okay, so now it's inside the correct Git local directory. So Git restore new directory. That's it. But this new directory that we created here is unstaged. We haven't staged it yet. Okay, within this, we can also add a new file to see. Let's just this up. There's a new file that we've created inside it. Sorry, inside it in here. So this is visible. But to restore this, we can also git restore. Then we put in the directory name. This new directory. What does this tell us? Do not match the directory name. Okay, so git restore name of the directory. That file we're trying it hasn't yet been staged. It hasn't yet been staged. It hasn't yet been committed. So let's restore. Okay, so that is it. Oh, we can reset it. Okay, by using git reset. Okay, so that takes it back. Yes. Yeah. Sometimes if you're facing challenges by restore, you can just reset it to the last committed state. So unstaging files. So the first way we did is to take it from in our local working area, our working directory. So in case you have staged it, in case we've staged it, we can unstage it by saying git restore with a stage flag like this. Say git restore and stage. And you put in the file name, it's gonna take it back. It's gonna take it out of the staging area. So we can try that as well. Let's try to get another file. Let's see another. Let's see. And our limit, let's say another. Let's see the status. Let's add it. Um, so now to unstage that change that we made, maybe just by clicking git restore, nothing is gonna happen because it's not in our current working area. But let's check in restore stage. And let's specify the file name. Okay, so now we have restored it. We have restored it. So git restore staged everything. So we take everything back to how it was. But if it's not visible, you want to take it out completely without seeing it, just say git reset and then reset, sorry, reset. Okay, you have to be in the head.